Alright, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $113.01 worth of goods. When it was all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $12.97. And yes, as always, that total includes the tax. We got to keep it real on our coupon boast here. This is for the week of May 5th to May 11th, or May 4th to May 10th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So I'll be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel to get these deals right away. I'm going to try to upload a video on the first day of the sale. Today is Thursday. The first day of the sale, I am in true BOGO land, which is the state of Florida. So let me get right into, not that big this week, 10 or so deals, but once again, I had a moneymaker. I'm going for moneymakers every week. As you can look at my past videos, every week, you know, I've been paid to shop. I've had a moneymaker, so I want to keep the streak going this week. So let's get right into 10 or so deals that I did. And right here, this is the Baya drink. Hard to find, but I was able to find it. So it's regular price $3. Add the tax, $3.23. Got that Publix digital coupon. Takes $3 off, costing only 23 cents for that. All right, Schick Extreme razors. I did this deal last week. Now there's a little twist to it. So they're still on sale. The regular price $7.99. Factor the tax for two of them, cost $17.18. However, they're on sale for $5.99 this week. So for two of them with tax comes at $12.88. And there's a manufacturer coupon from the April 24th Smart Source for $4 off. Expires May 15th, May 14th, and there is an Ibotta rebate for $2 off each one. So paying $16.10, sorry, $12.88 for those, and you get back $8 in coupons, $4 from Ibotta rebate, so it's only costing you 88 cents for both of those. Stem insect spray. So once again, I did this deal last week and I did it again. So $7.49 for these. Both of these are $7.49 each. And with tax for two of them costs $16.10. So they are, so the stems are $7.49 is the regular price. So for two of them with tax, as I said, comes to $16.10. There is a BOGO manufacturer coupon expiring May 8th. So if you want to do it, you better hurry up and do it. So that's buy one, get one free. Takes the amount of $7.49 off. And then there's Publix digital coupon for $6.99 off of two. So clip that. And what you do, make sure they take the paper coupon first, and then at the end, I enter in all my digital coupons. So that was the way that one works, because you might have trouble the other way. And of course, they were marked that they were on sale for $6.49. You know, I got to take advantage. Publix promise was granted as if the price on the shelf is lower than the price you pay at the register, their guarantee is they give you the item for free and give you your money back. And they usually don't worry about the coupons. Coupons is like money to them. They're going to get reimbursed for it anyways. It's kind of their mistake. As you can see, I was refunded their stem $7.49 because it was wrong, and then I'll get into a little more on that receipt as well. So $16.10 spent, $7.49 redeemed for the BOGO manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source April 24th, and the digital coupon $6.99 back from that. And then $8.05 was refunded for the Publix promise. Made those two things a $6.43 overage money maker. Keep it going. Cetaphil Baby. These are the baby wash. They have wash and shampoo. The regular price for these are $6.29. So for two of them with the tax comes at $13.52. However, they're on sale for $3 off each one. So when you factor the tax, it comes to $7.07. And there's a manufacturer printable for $4 each with a limit of two. So I was able to use those. Spent $7.07. I got $4 back and $4 back. making that a 93-cent overage on that. And as always, all the links in the breakdown are below this video, so if you want to print that. Had to kind of fill out a little questionnaire kind of thing and send it to your email within a couple hours, I believe. So, or at least they did for me. Suja shots. These are regular price $3.19. Factor the tax, comes to $6.86. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get 2 of them for $3.19 with tax, $3.43. You go to the coupons.com app. There's a rebate for $2 off of 2. And then Ibotta has 75 cents off each bottle. I guess you'd call those a bottle. And so that makes those a 7-cent overage on those. 9 Elements hand soap. So the regular price for this, oh, I don't even have the regular price. Regular price for this is more. So I actually had more. I had probably 150. So we'll say the regular price for this would probably be, I think $7.99. So with tax, that would cost to $8.56, I believe. But anyways, it's on sale for $6.39. It's a good thing it's on sale. So $6.39 with tax comes to $7.07. There's a Publix digital coupon for $5 off, and it is for the foaming dish spray. This one. So take $5 off of that $7.07, and you're gonna pay only $2.07. And as always, I was working up to something. This time I was working up to spending $25. I was way over that, and I got $10 off of my purchase when I purchased this $25 Zaxby's gift card. So if you don't want to purchase the Zaxby's gift card, you're still gonna get all this stuff, or I could have gotten all this stuff and had a $2.97 overage. However, I got this guy, so I had $12.97 since I bought this gift card. Or, you know, getting all this stuff and a $25 gift card, I'm paying like $11 for everything. And that includes a $25 Zaxby's gift card. So either way you want to look at it, I like to look at it as a $12.97 overage moneymaker. I'm going to use that Zaxby's gift card at some point or give it away as a gift, whatever. Hoptea. So this is a regular price $3 with tax, $3.23. However, it's on sale for $2.50. Factor the tax, it's $2.69. There's a Publix digital coupon, so clip that. That takes $1 off. Ibotta has $1.25 off, and then Ibotta any item is 10 cents off. So making that thing only 34 cents. Super coffee. And let's get into this, guy. These were pretty good, and I want to explain a little here. So these are in the state of Florida. It's called True BOGO, meaning if something is buy one, get one free, which these guys are, and you have a coupon that says buy one, get one free, the item is totally free. So you're lucky if you're in the state of Florida and you get buy one, get one free on sale, and you have a buy one, get one free coupon, 000. So getting into these guys at a regular price, $3.49 each, so for 6 of them, would cost you about $20.94. However, they're BOGO, buy one, get one free, so you're paying $10.47. And from the Aces, there's a manufacturer coupon for the Alliance of Controlling Your Sugar something. That's whatever Aces stands for. But there is a printable coupon for buy one, get one free. As always, I got the link to print that below. So if you want to get this, you can go below and print it. So I use 3 of those buy one, get one free printable coupons, and as you can see, my printer ran out of ink, so there's a lot of black ink used on this. I print them, you can print them in black and white, you can print them in color. I try to print them, you know, best quality, so there's no issue with them scanning, you know. And let me tell you, so these are $0 for these, because I used 3 of these, covered the total price of everything. What I wanted to say is, you know, don't OD, don't overdo it. You know, don't go in there with like 8 of these and expecting, you know, if you're getting a lot of stuff like I did, and you're getting maybe using 3 of these, 2 or 3 of these, okay. But you know, you don't want to burn bridges, you don't want to overdo it and raise red flags. So that's all I'm going to say there. So only use a couple. Maybe I'll go back in a couple days, use another one, but you know, technically I could have got 16 of these drinks and used 8 of these coupons. But as I said, I didn't want to overdo it, you know, but that's me. All right. So Lemon Perfect, same kind of thing. And the same website, or the same printable coupon is in the same booklet. the ACES booklet. So these are regular price, $2 each. So with tax, for those, they came to $12.60, $12.90. But as I said, they're BOGO, so you pay half that. You're paying only $6.45 for all those. And once again, I used 3 of those manufacturer coupons. I don't have it because as you see, my printer ran out of ink. And actually, one of them they rung up $3.49 off. So I was happy about that. So even instead of taking $2, they took $2 off, and $3.49 off. I guess they thought it was kind of the super coffee. I made 2 trips, so that was the second trip, and they ring it off as $3.49 at a different location. So sometimes you get lucky. So those were $1.04 overage. And finally, Nature's Bounty Zinc. These are regular $5.99. So for 2 of them, $11.98. No tax on those. And then from the extra savings booklet, this expires tomorrow. So if you want to get on that, $3 off. And from the May 1st save, there is $2 off. So you can use that, making them only 99 cents each, or $1.98 for both of them. And once again, they helped me get my $10 off my Zaxby's gift card. I was actually, that Zaxby's digital did not come off. I had to go to customer service, showed them it, and it came off. They honored it as they should. I was also going to get some cinnamon toast crunch because supposedly it was on Swagbucks, and I clipped it last night on Swagbucks. This morning it was gone. So when I went to redeem it, it was gone. So I returned them, which was no big deal. And I said, look, I didn't use a coupon for these or anything like that, which probably wouldn't have mattered. Anyways, once again, paid to shop. Once again, about $115 worth of stuff. And it's all said and done. I had a $12.97 overage moneymaker. Kept my streak alive of every week having an overage and getting paid to shop. So everybody enjoy their couponing this week.